all packed and loaded, ready to go and set up the farmer's market. Pretty simple, just really early. In case you can't tell, the sun has not hit the horizon yet. So we got the market stand set up this morning. I know it died halfway through putting it up, but it's the kind of display we use. Got permanent boxes, easily stacked in our trailer behind us. Load the produce in, kind of do a diagonal pattern of greens and then the other stuff on top, piled up top. Also got a fire cider and flyers on the side. Check out here. Use a POS for all of our checkouts. That way it's easy to track. Do taxes and all that other fun stuff. And we just pine out a bunch of stuff on the side, make it easy for the customers. Greet them as they come up, tell them have a good day when they leave. So let's set up. I'm going to get back to it. Just had a little bit of a low there, but we got people coming in. All right, here's what we got left. We're going to pack this up and go on head home and kind of talk about the day. See you in a bit. So I ended up with a severe audio problem here. As you can tell, my lips are not lining up with my mouth because it didn't record any audio. But I talked about some really, really important stuff here. Mainly, farmers market. Number one tip, always greet your customers as they come up to you. After that, let them shop. Don't really bother them. You don't really want to bother people as they're shopping. Most people are used to shopping in a grocery store, and they sometimes get turned off by overly engaging them. So basically let them come to you to ask the questions. Next would be to answer any questions. Some people engage you, some won't. Just talk to them as they come up. Always answer price questions, especially quality questions. When you really start talking about the products, make sure to talk about how it's grown, where it's grown, and why your product is worth more. All in all, you're selling a premium product at a premium price, so you have to give them premium service. Next, check them out. Make sure to tell them, what the total is, what their change is. Give it back to them, smile. Always, always tell them to have a good day and thank you. Some of the most important parts of this. Also, be sure to encourage, if you have a website and do deliveries, that you have that service available too. It's always very, very important. And all in all, I love doing the farmer's market. It's really, really early in the morning. I love talking to the people, answering questions. It's great fun. Make sure to set up your stand. Nice and picturesque. Tablecloths always. Lots of crates. Get vertical space. And always pile it high, watch it fly, and you'll have a great success at farmer's market. It's actually a really good day today. As you can tell in the back, there's not much left. But all in all, I'm just going to let myself sit here and ramble because, honestly, it was a long day. I don't even remember what I said. I just keep going on and on. But, as always, hope you all liked what you saw today. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all. Have a good day.